Excuse me. Hi, do you speak English?
Yes.
Yes, my name is Samuel. I'm a photographer. I take photos of people for free. And I would just wanted to ask if you'd like a quick family photo. Can I show you my work real quick?
Yes.
I ask people if they want a photo, and then I send it to them. It's really quick.
Okay.
Yeah? Can you like hold them like this? Yes, beautiful. One more.
It's good. It's nice.
Yeah? Can I have one of you, Mom?
Just
Yes, just you. I love your glasses. I love the scarf. The pink, it's beautiful. Is that okay with you?
yes.
Yes. Perfect.
Yes, it's
Yeah?
beautiful. Yes.
Now, can I have one more with just the sisters? One more? Perfect.